Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the English grammar class. My name is Harmanjit Kaur on behalf of Paramount Public School. As earlier we have done the topic that was omission, today we are going to do editing. Yes, editing means error detection. It means that we are given a paragraph or a line in which there is a mistake. We need to find that mistake and correct that mistake. Now, what can be the problems in editing? Yes, number one, it can be of tenses. It means the subject would not be matching with the verb. The second can be of preposition. The third can be of articles. And the next can be of conjunction. And next of determiners. Editing is same as omission. In omission, we are filling the word that is given in the blanks. And in editing, what is there? There is a line and there's a problem in a line. We have the mistake in a line. We do need to find that mistake and we need to write that. Yes, let's move to the example. And single by single line we are going to read and we are going to find it out. The passenger were waiting at the. Yes, the passenger were waiting at the. It means, now see, passenger is a single person and further it is given were. So passenger is wrong. It is going to be passengers over there. Station, when five policemen rushing. Rushing is again the other. So as we are talking about the past from the starting, it is going to be rushed over there into different compartments of a train. Now whenever we are talking about the compartments, it is not different compartments, it is different compartments. After sometimes one of them. Now after sometimes is wrong, it is after some time. Comes out with two young person. As we are talking about the past tense from the starting, so it is going to be came out. Yes, next line. And soon other policemen joined her. Now, if we look out at the paragraph from the starting, we haven't talked about her. We are talking only about him. So, in place of her, it is going to be him. Yes, next line. The men which had been arrested. See, as earlier in omission, we have done it out that which is used with the non-living things and who is used with the living things. So as we are talking about a man, so it is living. We will be writing over here who was being caught for a theft. Now as we are talking about plural, men we are talking, so it is going to be were being caught. Now how to do it out? See, we have found out all the mistakes in the paragraph and that are to be corrected. So on the other hand side, we do need to write the incorrect word and the correct word along with that. And this is how we have done whatever the words we have corrected it out. Yes, now let's move to the next example. Man has learned to communicate in a. Now man is more. So we will be using over there is have. Variety of ways. There are examples of. Now variety of ways. We are talking about different kind of ways. So of is the other. We will be using of. There are examples of communities which uses. Now communities is plural. So we will be using the plural word over there. That is use. Whistles or tunes to express its ideas. To express its ideas will be wrong over there. It is going to express their ideas as we are talking about communities. So this is again the correction done on the other side. This is how it is to be done. I hope that you understood the editing and you will be doing more and more practice of this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.